Welcome to the blame game. Whose fault is it anyway? This week we discuss building trust and loyalty. As an automotive service advisor, your role is not limited to managing repairs and maintenance tasks. You have the opportunity to build lasting relationships with customers by providing exceptional service experiences that instill trust and foster customer loyalty. Let's explore effective strategies that can help you cultivate trust, nurture long-term relationships, and generate repeat business. Communication is key. Clear and open communication is the foundation of trust. Take the time to listen actively to your customers, understand their concerns, and address their needs. Explain repair processes, costs, and timelines in a transparent manner. Avoid jargon and use simple language to ensure customers feel informed and confident in their decisions. Build expertise and credibility. Continuously educate yourself about the latest automotive trends, technologies, and industry best practices. The more knowledgeable you are, the more trust you can inspire in your customers. Be prepared to answer their questions and provide expert advice, positioning yourself as a trusted advisor. Personalize the experience. Customers appreciate a personalized touch. Remember their names, preferences, and vehicle histories. When you demonstrate that you genuinely care about their specific needs, it creates a sense of belonging and trust. Use customer relationship management tools to keep track of important details such as service reminders or special occasions. Transparency in pricing. Customers often worry about being overcharged or facing unexpected costs. Be transparent about pricing and provide detailed estimates before performing any work. Explain the value they will receive for their investment and offer different options when available. Honesty and transparency in pricing will strengthen trust and encourage customer loyalty. Create a welcoming environment. The physical appearance of your service center contributes to the overall customer experience. Ensure your facility is clean, well organized, and comfortable for customers who may be waiting for their vehicles. Train your staff to be friendly, approachable, and attentive, fostering a welcoming atmosphere that puts customers at ease. Go the extra mile. Exceeding customer expectations is a powerful way to build trust and loyalty. Offer small gestures of appreciation, such as complimentary car washes or shuttle services. Follow up after service to ensure customer satisfaction and address any lingering concerns promptly. By consistently going above and beyond, you will create memorable experiences that will keep customers coming back. Embrace technology. Leverage technology to streamline processes and enhance customer experiences. Invest in an efficient appointment booking system, digital communication platforms, and online service portals. These tools can improve convenience, provide real-time updates, and enable customers to easily interact with your service department. Train and empower your team. Your team members play a vital role in delivering exceptional service. Invest in their training and development, empowering them to provide personalized and knowledgeable assistance. Encourage a customer-centric culture within your service department where every employee understands the importance of building trust and fostering long-term relationships. Building trust and customer loyalty as an automotive service advisor requires a combination of effective communication, personalized experiences, transparency, and exceptional service. By implementing these strategies, you can create an environment where customers feel valued, understood, and confident in the service they receive. Remember, trust is not built overnight, but by consistently delivering exceptional experiences, you can cultivate long-term relationships and generate repeat business that will benefit both your customers and your dealership or repair shop. Thanks for joining us. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as well as follow our other platforms for valuable content to help your shop reach its greatest potential.